Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield. It's Monday. Gonna have a look around the site. A lot's gone on over the weekends. So Mr. D, thanks, you've opened up a can of worms. I've received a lot of messages about your video, so if anyone wants to know what I'm going about, go across to Mr. Drone's video and have a look. You haven't seen it from yesterday, Sunday, so I'm just going to have a look down this wall here, and I'll let you know what I know so far. That wall's coming on, and my thoughts on it. But first things first, I just want to mention my last video. You know what, I'll keep it on this for a minute. No, there seems to be a lot going on, does there? Let me just get round there a bit more. So first things first, some things are just a bit more important than the build. So on Friday I videoed the funeral. The reason why I videoed it was because it was brilliant. It was simple as that. You know, the guy who got the send-off, he got a send-off, a good send-off. But I took a little bit of criticism, saying I was being a bit disrespectful. So just to let you know, okay, everything I do is done in the best taste possible, okay? I'd never disrespect anyone. If I think something's worth filming, I think it's brilliant, I'm going to film it, okay? So, regarding that funeral, 3 people have contacted me that were at the funeral, 2 family members and the drum major. So the drum major was the guy who was at the front leading the band, if you like, if you saw it. If you didn't, go back and have a look and then you'll see what I mean. The 2 family members have thanked me for filming it. They've requested copies of the footage, which I'm going to sort out for them. The drum major has contacted me and thanked me, and he's also requested footage. So I'm going to sort the footage out for them. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to, you know, just so they've got their own little personal piece of what happens. I don't know what's going on with that crane thing there, guys, so I'm going to zoom out. Yeah, so they've contacted me and they've thanked me for filming it, okay? So just to put that little bit to bed, and the funeral was for the ex-drum major of that band, and he'd been drum major for 52 years. The drum major that contacted me, that was his first time of leading, okay? So, and I think he's done a sterling job of it. So yeah, thanks for contacting me, and thanks for the kind words that you've all sent me. And I will sort the footage out. So as soon as you give me the details of where to send it, I'll get that sorted for you, okay? So we'll have a little look around. I've got some important bits of information as well, so you know what, I'll get cracking. You know what, no, so there's a picture on the screen now. So firstly is the underside of the cladding just there. That's not going to get done till the summer, and that's a definite, that's 100%. That's not getting done till the summer now. For simple reason, they're going to do it when the concerts are on and the pitch has been covered for the concerts, which makes sense. A lot of people suggested that anyway, that, you know, it won't get done till the summer, but that's what I've been told. What else have I got down here about it? Yeah, so all it is, the people worry about the waterproof and stuff like that. It's waterproofed, it's completely safe up there, it's passed its inspection. That's why the whole that's why the lower tier was allowed to open. That roof had to be watertight and safe. So I know it covers mostly the upper tier, but it had to be done for the lower tier as well. So that had to pass an inspection, which has been done. The bottom corner, the seats that are going in, that's not getting done till the summer either. I think for the same reason, because it needs doing pitch sides. So there's going to be machinery going to have to go on the pitch. I know it doesn't look as though it needs to go on the pitch, but from what I'm told, it does. So yeah, that's the same, that corner where the seats are going, okay. Right, so that clears them. So they're the frequently asked questions. You know, what's going on with the corner? What's going on with the underside of the roof? And thank you for the picture, by the way. That picture is brilliant that you sent me. So yeah, I'll get over the ground now. Have a look at the seating area, and we'll discuss what's been mentioned over the weekend, i.e. yesterday. Like, I hadn't heard anything about this until Mr. Dunn put it on. Then people started messaging me, asking me what I know about it. I know nothing about it. So apparently there's some there's concrete problems on the upper, I think it's the concourse of the upper floor, is what people are saying. So yeah, I know nothing about it, but I have messaged my man on the inside who does know quite a lot about what's going on, who's given me those 2 bits of information about the corner and the underside of the roof. So let me just zoom in anyway, so we'll have a look. Yeah, so right, so these two here, the only parts that needs the seats in is what you can see there. The rest, where you can see the red seats, goes all the way to the back. That section goes all the way to the back. That section goes all the way to the back. Yeah, that section goes all the way to the back, and these 2 end sections don't, okay. So if you could put these 2 here, where these 2 are missing seats, because they seem to match, that'll be a complete section, and then it'd just be the 2 end sections that needs seats. I'm sorry about all the air spinning around here, and that front section there that needs seats, okay. So I asked my man on the inside, and he has sent me a message. I'll try and read it for words, but it's on the screen now anyway. So I asked him if there's what he knows about this concrete issue that's going on. So he said to me, did see that, mate, was thinking of messaging to confirm that it's complete. Delays down to materials and the fact that Buckingham was slow as anything. Okay, so that's what he's pretty much sent me, okay. Now, I've put stuff out that people didn't believe, that came true. Mr. Jones put something else, and he's getting a little bit of stick. In his defence, we can only go off the information that we're given of people that we trust. Okay, it could be true, we don't know for sure, do we? But that's what I've been told. I've also asked another couple of people, and I can't mention how I know them, okay? I've just asked another couple of people, and they too also said it's nonsense. Okay, so there are rumours going around, because I've been sent these rumours as well, since Mr. Dunn put his video out. So there are rumours going around. Hopefully they are just rumours, and there's absolutely nothing wrong. But it wouldn't put it past Buckingham, would it, to have messed this up. But yeah, that's where we're at the moment. So I'm going to come back around this way. We'll have a good look. If you've got any questions, fire them at me. Let's have a look at that wall from here. What exactly is the wall for? What's it enclosing? Does anyone know? Or is it just decorative? Let me know what it's for, because I don't even know what it's for. Yeah, so it's been quite a lot to cover in this, and not get a lot of looking round, if you like. So I've also said about the cladding on the far side, haven't I, of the by the main stand end of the Annie Road. Let me just get round to it. So that there is also not to be done till the summer. Oh no, actually no, you know what? I forgot now. I'm not too sure. I'm sure someone said that. That's not to be done till the summer. I'm not sure, I don't know. No, sorry, someone said it wasn't getting done till the new year. That's what that message was, yeah, that's alright. But we know that anyway now. Yeah, ignore me. Let's try and have a little look down here before I finish up. Just making sure I'm not missing anything. No, don't look like I'm missing much down there. The brickies are still up there. So I wonder if that'll be finished today. Hopefully. So let's summarise the funeral. The family members were happy with me recording it in the end, which is a relief to me because, you know, I don't want people thinking I'm disrespecting anyone. But in the same respect, if you want aerial footage of a funeral, because to have filmed all of that would have been amazing to have filmed that. But I didn't want to spend too much time because I hadn't been asked to do it. I just wanted to get some footage of what was going on. But if people want aerial footage of a funeral, you know, get in touch with me. We can sort it out. The underside of the roof is going to be getting done in the summer. Again, it's everything's fine with it. It's watertight. It's doing what it should be doing. It's just the aesthetics of it. It's just the way it looks. Okay, it's not paramount, so that won't be getting done till the summer when they can get the machinery on the pitch. Again, with the corner seats, there's 150 something seats going there and there. That's exactly the same. Can't be done till the summer. And the concreting, from what I've heard, it's just rumours and there's no truth in it. But I wouldn't throw anyone under the bus. It's, you know, we can only go off the information that we're given by people that we trust. Okay, so who knows? We might hear something. I think this weekend's derby is going to be a telling point. If there's no fans in the Annie Road, then there's something there, isn't there? If there's fans there, then it's probably not. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I've got my new channel out, so I'll put a link to that at the end. KC Hauntings and History. I'm going to start making stuff for that channel and keep all the haunted and history stuff off this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, go across and subscribe to it. I'll be putting a lot of stuff on there soon. Comment, let me know what you think about everything that's been mentioned in this video. Let's have some talking points. Comments and likes are always appreciated. And apart from that, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.